What's up everybody, it's Justin at S&K Greenhouse, and today we're talking about 5 shrubs that you should consider growing for winter interest. Let's jump right into the first one. We have the red twig dogwood. Now this is not just any red twig dogwood, this is the one Proven Winners came out with called Arctic Fire. Now when I say dogwood, a lot of you are imagining, you know, something that grows 10, 15 foot tall, white blooms in the springtime. No, this is actually a shrub form, so it's only going to grow somewhere 3 to 5 foot. But let's address the elephant in the room, why don't we? The red twigs. Look at the bark on this. Zoom in on that. I could just picture this growing up through some crispy white snow. We're filming at the time, January right now, so you know, we're thinking about that. What's going to look good this time of year? This is going to be looking good, you know, planted in a border, along a walkway, even as a specimen. Spring and summer, it's going to have chartreuse green leaves, so it looks good pretty much any time. Now let's move right along to our next shrub, one of my favorites. This is Mr. Bowling Ball Arborvitae. And I get so excited when this one's in stock because this one's hard to find, wouldn't you say, Alex?
Absolutely.
I mean, yeah, like I don't know what it is, but anyway, this is Mr. Bowling Ball Arborvitae. If you want to zoom in, you can look at the interior needles, and this is going to be an indicator of what it looks like spring and summer, a little lighter, more bluish gray. But this time of year, it looks great with its more bronzed tips. A little more dull, but for wintertime, this looks really good. This is a low maintenance shrub, part to full sun. Only going to get about 2 foot tall, maybe 3 foot wide at maturity. And I think this is excellent. Can go with so many different things. Plant this one around your house if you're needing some low maintenance shrubs. And then, oh my goodness, probably my favorite shrub of all time. I mean, I've planted like 5 of these around my house. I really do love Fire Chief Arborvitae. Now, if you want to zoom in what it looks like on the interior, this is again an indicator of what it looks like spring, summer, a little bit lighter green with red tips. But this time of year, you get this burnt orange look. Low maintenance, very deer resistant, grows about 3 foot by 3 foot. Gonna grow great in part to full sun. Very drought tolerant, and this is a mutation of the old school plant Rheingold. I don't know if you remember Rheingold. It got really large, and then during inclement weather, you'd have splitting going on whenever you had, you know, episodes of snow or ice or heavy winds or rain. This does not do that. Very resistant to that. And then next we have Blush Pink Nandina. Now Southern Living came out with this one several years ago. Now what I like about this one, it's a low maintenance Nandina, no pruning needed. And here we go. Look at these green leaves. All right, that's going to be its spring, summer look. And then as you can see with the cooler temperatures, it turns red all over. And how many shrubs out there are turning red? Like, this is pretty awesome. Love this one. Only 2 foot tall, 2 foot wide. You're not going to be getting the electric hedge trimmers out much on this one. And then finally, because I love arborvitaes, we've got to talk about Morgan Wallen Arborvitae. I sound like my daddy, I don't cuss around my mama. Got some words you never heard unless you come from down. The man upstairs missing, so I ain't trying to fix it. I definitely botched that. Anyway, Morgan Oliver is, all right, Morgan Arborvitae is a small tree / shrub, only gets about 2 to 3 foot tall. It can be grown in containers. It can be grown out in your landscape. But so many times people are looking for a tree that, you know, doesn't get tall. They want to plant something beside the steps or something that's not going to hit the gutters in a few years. This will never do that. This is going to stay small, grow about 2 to 3 foot tall. If you look in the interior, this is the spring and summer look. that beautiful lighter green color. And then on the outside in the wintertime, it turns more of this rusty brown, and it's not gonna have any needle drop or leaf drop or anything like that. It's gonna look like this all through the winter and just look absolutely fantastic. There you go, folks, 5 shrubs to grow for wintertime color. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you get updated every time we release a new video like this. And until next time, become a plant person.